Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. In that we'll see here, we already done some questions. We'll start with the question number 5. This is for exercise 5.1. So simplify. So this 9 is here and 10 raised to 5 means what you have to do? You have to write 1 as it is and you just have to put 5 zeros. So when you multiply by 9, 9 and 5 zeros. Now here 3 raised to 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is going to be 27. 2 raised to 4, that is going to be, 2 raised to 2, that is going to be 4. So when you multiply this, that is going to be 108. Now 5 square means 5 into 5, that is 25. 4 square, 4 into 4, that is 16. When you multiply this, that is going to be 400. Now here 0 into 12 raised to 2 into 13 raised to 5. So wherever you have 0 and here there is multiplication, so the whole this is going to be 0, so you don't have to multiply, so you can write just 0. Here find the results. Now here minus 6 raised to 3 means you are going to multiply minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6 3 times. So now you can see these are there are 3 minus sign over here. So my 3 sign means here 3 means that is a 3 is an odd number. So whenever you have odd number, so that is always going to be negative. So now you are just going to multiply this one. So 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are, that is 216. Now for this one you will write minus 4 into minus 4. For this part you will write here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So now you will see the number of negative signs 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So again here 5 is an odd number, so it's going to be negative, and then you're going to multiply this all, so which is going to be 432. Now here this you can write minus 7 into minus 7, and this is going to be minus 8. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 means odd number, so that is going to be negative. So multiply this one, so that is going to be 392. Again for this one, minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10, minus 5 into minus 5. So this will be, now see here these all are 10s. So now just what will you do? You will take 25. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 is a even number. So that is going to be positive. So you don't have to think about the sign that is going to be positive. Just look at the numbers. This is going to be 25. And how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 25 and 4 zeros. Express the following as a product of prime factors. 49, that is going to be 7 sevens and 7 ones are. So 49 is 7 into 7, that will be 7 raised to 2. 625, that will be 5 125s are, 5 25s are, 5 5s are, and 5 ones are. So 625 will be 5 5s are 25 here. This will be the factors of it, so that will be 5 raised to 4. Now for this one 512, so this is minus, so don't think about the minus first, only take the number. So you will take the factors always. Whenever you factorize, you have to start with the lowest number, start with 2 if not with 3 and so on. So this 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So minus 5 and 2, we will write here minus and put in a bracket these all factors. So how many 2s we have? This minus is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus 2 and you will put a bracket raised to 9. Again for 200 and minus 216, just keep minus at the side first. Just take the number 2 times here. Then here we can see this is 27. So this will be 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So minus 216 will be minus, and these all factors that will be in the bracket. So minus 2 will be 3 times and 3 will be 3 times. So this is going to be, you can see here, this is the base and this is the, we can say the exponents or the powers. So the powers are the same, that is this also is 3, this also is 3. So what will you do? The base you are going to multiply, because a raised to m into b raised to m, that is going to be ab raised to m. This is the law. So the base you are going to multiply and the power you are going to keep same, and this is minus, so you will write your minus. So this is going to be 6 and this will be raised to 3. Again for this, these are the factors of it. So how many times 2 is there? 2 raised to 4, and this will be 7 and 1. So this is the answer. Again here keep the minus sign at the side first. So this is not multiplied because here you have to look at the unit place, that is 5. So this will be divisible by 3. So here 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So this will be, now you can write here minus, these all factors you will write here. So now we have 3 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2. So this is going to be minus 3 raised to 5 into here minus 5 raised to 2. So this is the answer. Now here they said simplify the following. 5 raised to 2 means 25 minus 9, and this is going to be 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is going to be 8. Now this is in the bracket, so we'll solve this separately. That will be 16 into 8, which is 128. Now this is going to be 49 plus 16, and this is going to be 3 square means 9. So this will be 65 into 9, which is going to be 585. So here will be near 9 minus 4 divided by 1 by 25. So this will be 5 divided by 1 by 25. So 5, this will be multiplied, and this is going to be multiplied by 25, that will be 125. Again for this one, what you can see here, this is actually multiplication, and this here the powers are the same. So what will you write here? The base we're going to multiply minus 8 into minus 9, and we are going to put the whole bracket and then a cube here. And this will give the same first. So this will be minus into minus means it becomes plus. 8 9 is 72 raised to 3. Divided by, we'll keep this same. So 72 raised to 3 means we can write a 72 into 72 into 72. And this we can make it to multiplication. So this get the reciprocal of it. 1 by 6 raised to 5. So again here this is the same. And this 6 raised to 5. So 6 you are going to multiply 5 times. So 6 ones are 12. Here will be 12, here will be 12. So now what you can do, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 ones are, 6 twos are. So now we don't have any number in the denominator, only 1. So multiply 2 into 2 into 12, so which is 48. Express the following in index form. This we have to write the answer in the index form. Now first thing, we have to take the factors of this one. So these are the factors of it. So now what you can see, how many times 2 we have, that is 5. So this is 2 raised to 5. So in the index form, this is in the index form. So we don't have to write the final answer for this one, only we have to keep this in the index form. Again for this one, these are the factors of it. So that will be 7 we have 3 times. So that will be 7 raised to 3. Same here. This is only possible with 11. So that is going to be 11 cube. For this one, 243, so this is possible with 3. So that will be 3 or 5 times, so 3 raised to 5. So this is only possible with 5. So that is going to be, these are the factors of it, so that will be 5 raised to 5. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.